you have a tank? You said you stole this from the Top-Ats? That name sounds familiar. I think I heard of them when I was getting locked up at the Wall. Criminal organization, right? And you crossed them, huh? We gotta put this bad boy to use. What do you say we hit him again? I don't know about you, but I'm running pretty low on cash. Great. I'll get in touch with my contacts and find out where they're at. These tracks should lead us right to the secret Top-At base.
We might even find... That's it. The transport train. I think there's supposed to be... There it is. Their money cart.
I'm pretty sure that cart contains all the money they've amassed. There's our payday. Let's take it to them.
Oi, you hear that? What is that?